Ready to grow revenue and supercharge your sales team's capacity? Meet the Sales Development Agent, an always-on agent that acts like a teammate, researching, qualifying, and engaging leads around the clock to fuel your pipeline. Simply give it a list of leads, and the agent does the rest. It researches each prospect, crafts personalized outreach, and sparks real conversations. Your customers receive personalized messages and can engage in natural two-way dialogue, with automatic follow-ups so no lead is left behind. It scales outreach, updates CRM, and hands off qualified leads, freeing your sellers to focus on closing and connecting. How do you set it up? Add your agent from the Agent Store in just a few clicks. Onboard in minutes by sharing your sales playbooks, guidelines, and company knowledge. Lightning-fast setup gets deals moving forward. Test, refine, and align with company policies, building confidence every step of the way. Fully independent, yet collaborative, the agent is able to share insights, assist with reporting, and work side by side with sellers. Explore detailed activity logs for full transparency. Track business metrics and watch your pipeline grow. Powered by Agent 365 and backed by Microsoft's enterprise-grade security and compliance, it safeguards your data and workflows end-to-end. Add Sales Development Agent from the Agent Store today to unlock your next level of growth.